Good morning, everyone. I am starting to get some questions about the classroom and where to find things. So, making a video I thought would be the easiest way to show everyone, just in case you had questions. Most specifically, what I am getting questions about is an assignment that's not due until Thursday. But throughout our classroom, you have quite a few of these. They're called reporter reflections. So, here in 1.03 is your first reporter's reflection. And the question that I'm having from a lot of students is where do I find the information to read, things like that. So as you're going through, one of the first things that I really want to make sure that you understand and that you're doing is that you're clicking on absolutely everything that you see on the page. So it's pretty important because there's some things kind of embedded in our lessons and you want to make sure that you're doing that. So through here, obviously there's like just a little bit of information, but if you click here on this lesson resources, you're going to actually see quite a bit more information, okay? So you have a student guide, an assignment overview, journalism reporter reflection rubric, and then you have a couple of external links here that you can also go to. Okay, so as you're going through all of those, just remember it's real important to make sure that you're hitting every link on the page because there are some things that are embedded, okay? So obviously you're looking at all the different links. So as I'm clicking on these, obviously you're going to see more information, another external link, and some of these are going to take you to the exact same place as that information that was on the last page. It's repetitive a little bit. So again, more information there. So the question that I'm having from a lot of students is where do I find the information to read? Or what exactly am I reading? So as I'm going through the class and I'm looking at all of the different links that I'm clicking on, if I go back to either the first page, this one, or the second as you're going through to link, or look at the different links, when I click on those in that resource, so if I click on the student guide, um, you have exactly what the lesson is and what you need to do. So it's telling you visit the digital history website or the Library of Congress newspaper in current periodical reading room. And then it's telling you to choose an article concerning one of the following presidents, and then it gives you more information on what to do. So you have those options to do the different assignments. Okay. So the other question is, well, where do I find the reading? So that's the big question. Where do I find the reading and where do I get to that information, right? So if we go back to um, if we go back to the link or to the resource page that we were just on, here's where you're going to find that information, right? You have a digital history page, you can click there, and there's all kinds of information that you can search or that you can read about that you're being directed to go to, okay? So really this is kind of one of those classes that you absolutely have to make sure that you're looking through every link and that you're looking through all of the little, you're clicking all of these because they're there for a reason, okay? So it's just that guided learning that you're going to be doing a lot of on your own just because we meet only one time per week. Um, if I see students are having trouble with something, obviously I might call like an emergency session, or I might do some videos, which there'll be several videos throughout our classroom to add to instruction. However, it's super important that you're reading through every link, that you're clicking on everything, because normally the question that you have for me is going to be identified in there someplace. All right, so hopefully that helps answer questions for you. If you need anything else, please let me know, okay?